We got some satanic stuff going on here. Sorry for the wind. Right next to a major fire. You can see this substance on the ground everywhere. All over the rocks. All in between that tree. This tree is evil. This tree is bleeding. It's evil. I've never seen this before. I love it outside too. Associating it with evil because it's red. Might be natural. But I'll tell you what, we were here at the same exact spot in April? Yeah, I want to say April. And it wasn't like this at all. It's literally dripping from every branch up there. This other tree's not doing it. It's the same type of tree. Nothing. Look, you can see it's all in here. All on this root system of the tree that's right next to it that has none of it on it. But this one, I don't know. Look at this beautiful area. It's the Smith River. Tell me what you think.